In Alight motion, paper texture animation will be created. And in this way, you can create a lot of different designs. So let's open Alight. First of all, let's add the shape, and this shape has to be customized a bit. Now on this shape, roughen edges effect has to be applied. Now you have to download paper texture, whatever is right for your design. Now we have to clip and mask this texture with shape. Now the text has to be added. And in this also, the effect of roughen edges has to be applied. And the same texture has to be clipped and masked on the text as well. Now all these layers have to be grouped together. Then, turbulent displace effect has to be applied. Well, it is not that good. But by doing a little more experiment, it can be made better. And then can be used in multi ways, like lower third, text animation, intro, or any other place.